Hi children, good morning everybody. In the previous video, we discussed two things in solid mensuration. Those are cuboid and cube. In these two things, we discussed volume, surface area, lateral surface area and lateral surface area we discussed. In this video, we have to discuss the next solid, that is cylinder. That is cylinder. Means what is meant by cylinder? Here, if you take circle, if you put circles one by one together, then it forms a cylinder. Okay? Here, this figure is called cylinder. In case of cuboid, we kept rectangles. In the case of cube, we took squares. But in case of cylinder, we have to consider the circles. Here, anywhere, the figure cylinder, cuboid and cube, these figures all under concept of prisms. And consideration of prisms. These are all figures of prisms. Here, these are rectilinear figures. These shapes are curvilinear figures. Curvilinears, rectilinear and curvilinear figures. Okay. For the given solid figure, its base and top. Its base and the top are the same figures. In here, the base and top are circles. Here, the base and top are squares. Here, the base and top are rectangles. In this way, we have the base and the top are the same, then this is called prism. So here these are all under consideration of prisms. What are the volumes of prism? Here the volume of prism is base area into height. Base area into height. In case of cuboid, base is in the shape of a rectangle, that's why LB into H. In case of cube, base is a square, mean A square into height also A only. Mean here the volume is LBH, here the volume is A cube. In case of a cylinder, base area, base is in the shape of a circle, that's why here the base area is pi r square and height. Okay. Then pi r square H cubic units is the volume of a cylinder. Base area into height is the volume of any prism. Here we discussed three prisms, cuboid and cube in previous classes. Now in this class, cylinder, That's why I checked once again all the things. Okay, here this is the volume of the cylinder. Now CSA, curved surface area, nothing but LSA, lateral surface area. Here CSA, LSA and CSA are same. Lateral surface area in case of rectilinear figures, in case of curvilinear figures, curved surface area CSA. Here CSA of prism, CSA of prism is perimeter into height. Perimeter into height. In case of cuboid, perimeter is in the shape of a rectangle into of L plus B into H. In case of cube, perimeter is 4A, height also A only. In case of cylinder, base is in the shape of a rectangle, circle. That's why 2 pi r into H. Mean here 2H of L plus B is the lateral surface area of cuboid. 4A square is the lateral surface area of cube. Here 2 pi r H is the curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cube. Okay, this is important for us. Cuboid, cube, then cylinder. Already we discussed these two things. Next, now total surface area. Total surface area. Okay, here total surface area mean TSA of prism equal to LSA plus 2 times of base area. LSA plus 2 times of base area. Now, in case of cuboid, 2H of L plus B is lateral surface area plus 2 times of LB is the base area. Okay, next cube. For cube, 4A square, again 2 times of base area. Base is in the shape of square, that's why its area is A square. 4A square plus 2A square. In case of cylinder, here base area LSA mean 2 pi r H plus 2 times of base area 2 pi r square. Okay. After the simplification, here 2 of LB BH HL. Here 6A square. Here 2 pi r of H plus R or R plus H. In this way, we can discuss volume of any prism, lateral surface area and the total surface area. In particularly, we have to learn cylinder because these two are completed in earlier class. Now cylinder. At a time I will write all the 3 formulae of cylinder. Cylinder mean what are the examples of cylinder? In daily life situation, we have water bottle. Okay, We have water bottle. Example are cylinders. Gas cylinders. Okay, water cans. Candles. Two type of cans. If you used these water purifiers, in that candles also in the shape of a cylinder. Water pipes. Water pipes also example of cylinder. Water pipes. Many daily life figures we can use as a cylinders. In our daily life, we have seen many cylinders. These are examples of cylinder. Now, let's say for cylinder I am writing. For cylinder. LSA, lateral surface area 2 pi r h. Total surface area. Here lateral surface area nothing but the CSA. Don't confuse. That's why I wrote lateral surface area. CSA means chord surface area. Here total surface area 2 pi r of r plus h or h plus r. Both are correct. Volume pi r square h. Here these two are square units. Here the volume is in cubic units. We are calculating cubic units. In this way, we can find the lateral surface area, total surface area, and the volume of a given cylinders. Okay, some problems we will discuss. Now find volume, lateral surface area, total surface area, of a cylinder whose height is 15 centimeters and radius is base radius. Sometimes they call it as base radius. Base radius is 14 centimeters. Okay, base radius and height they give. Now we need to find its volume, lateral surface area and total surface area. Now volume equal to pi r square h. Here pi value 22 by 7. Here r is given as 14. Mean 14 square. Height is 15. So 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 15. So 7 here 2 times. Here 22 into 2 15s 30, 3 14s 42, mean 420 into 22, mean 42 into 22. Here 84, again 84, 924 cubic centimeters or centimeter cube, both are correct. Here 22 by 7 into r square will 14 square into 15. Here r square will 14 into 14. Here 14 2 times 2 15s are 30. 30 into 14. 30 into 14 means 3 14s are 42. That's why 420 into 22. Here we got 924. 0 we have cubic centimeters. Next. LSA, lateral surface area equal to 2 pi r h. Mean here 2 into pi mean 22 by 7 into r mean 14 into h mean 15. Here 7 twice. Then here 2 22s are 44 into 2 15s are 30. 3 4s 12. 12 plus 1 13. Square units. 1320 square units. Okay, volume and lateral surface area. One thing we have to find, that is total surface area. Next, yes. PSA, that is 2 pi r of h plus r. Here 2 into 22 by 7 into r mean 14. Here h mean 15 plus 14. Here twice. 2 2's 4, 4 22's 88 into 15 plus 14. 29. Now 29 into 88. 8 9 72. 8 2 16 plus 7. 23. Again 232. 2 5 5 2. 2 5 5 2 square units. Means square centimeters directly we can take, because centimeters only they go. Centimeters. Square centimeters. In this way we can find volume, lateral surface area and total surface area of a cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder is pi r square h, lateral surface area 2 pi r h, total surface area 2 pi r of h plus r. These are the problems which we can find with the help of base area and height for a given cylinder. Okay, this one cylinder also a solid figure. Cylinder also a solid figure. After the completion of a cuboid and cube, we have cylinder. After this one, we have cone also. First of all, we need to complete this cylinder. In this video, based on lateral surface area, total surface area, and the volumes. In the next video, we have to learn the things which were based on problems. Have a nice day. Bye.